In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make silhouette in Canva. By the end, you'll turn any photo into a clean, dramatic black silhouette that's perfect for posters, thumbnails, and social posts. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain why each one matters, and share quick tips to get crisp edges and a bold final look. Start by placing your photo on the Canva canvas, then click the image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and handles around the picture. If you're choosing a photo, pick one with a clear subject and good contrast from the background. That makes the next step much more accurate. With the image selected, open BG Remover. Canva will process the photo and remove everything except your main subject, leaving a transparent background behind it. Give it a moment to finish. If the result looks especially clean, that's a great sign you picked a strong source image. If the edges feel soft or a few areas weren't detected, don't worry. What matters for a silhouette is the overall shape, and that shape will soon be filled as a solid. Next, click Edit. This opens the core adjustments and gives you access to filters that will push the image toward a true silhouette. We're going to convert the subject to a single, strong color. Go to Filters and click See All to open the full gallery. This makes it easier to find the exact effect we need instead of scrolling through a short list. You're looking for a filter that flattens detail and removes color distraction, so keep that goal in mind as you browse. Scroll down and select Mono. The Mono filter simplifies your image into a uniform tone, which is exactly what we want for a silhouette. You'll notice the fine details and color variations recede, leaving you with a clean, graphic shape. To finish it off, find the highlight color inside the Mono settings, click the current color swatch, and change it to black. Instantly, your subject becomes a solid black silhouette against the transparent background you created earlier. This step is what makes the effect unmistakable. No gradients, no midtones, just a bold, readable outline. That's it. You've made a crisp silhouette in Canva by selecting your image, removing the background, opening Edit, revealing all filters, applying Mono, and setting the highlight color to black. Use this same flow on portraits, product shots, and icons for a consistent, striking style every time.